We head through the rest of the afternoon, a little cooler to the north because of that rain around earlier. And then as we head into the evening, I say mainly after 5, 6 o'clock. I pause this here at 6 p.m. That's when we'll see those showers moving on through. So off on the western side of the state, that's where we'll see this beginning as we head into the early evening. This will quickly spread east as we head over the next few hours. This takes us to 8 p.m. and it becomes widespread and steady as we head towards 9, 10 o'clock. This is when I think we will be most favorable to get some potential heavy downpours as well as some embedded thunderstorms in here too. And then this eases as we head overnight. This is 1 a.m. These showers become much more widely scattered, and then another wave of rain will come on through as we head towards daybreak tomorrow. This is 7 a.m. and at this point, I'm expecting temperatures to have only dropped right around 50 degrees. We will see temperatures falling from there as we head through the rest of the day. It remains breezy tomorrow. Even winds tonight could be gusting over 40 miles per hour and really breezy as we head into your Wednesday as temperatures fall. So we're into the 30s as we get into tomorrow evening, seeing a changeover from rain to a mix to some light snow showers that could provide a light coating of snow on the ground as we head into Wednesday night and early Thursday. That means we could have some slick spots on the roads early Thursday morning with temperatures that will be in the 20s and wind chills that will have fallen into the teens to start the day. We climb to 43 on Thursday, 42 with another chance of rain and a mix as we close out the work week, quieter into the weekend. We're back to 50 degrees by Sunday. Don't forget we set those clocks forward, we spring forward and back near 60 early next week. Melissa?